Righto, Timmy and I heading out to the Balladonia through the back way, Parmango Road. He's just ahead of me. Got to stop and get the camera out. It was pissing down rain before, so I didn't have the camera on. And yeah, so I'll catch up with him. We're going to have some lunch shortly and continue on through to the highway. We'll just camp anywhere tonight, wherever we get to. Alright, Jimmy and I stopped by the lake here. Gonna have some lunch, folded out my built-in table. Have some lunch and a cup of coffee and we'll head on our way. Righto, we've had lunch. Gonna continue heading along the Balladonia track. We're not that far from the first homestead.
So what do you do for out there? Just work and restore and shit all the time?
Oh, not a lot nowadays. Health is not that good.
Yeah, right.
That's why.
Righto, Timmy and I have just left the Balladonia homestead, heading north. Main Balladonia track, we're going to head down here. Just checking the bikes over. It's pretty rough. A lot of corrugations, limestone. Yeah, continue on. Spot on. Alright. We just pulled up at Balladonia, chucked some fuel in. 6.5 litres just to get me through to Oarsman. Righto. Pull out of Balladonia, go find a camping spot. Jesus. What happened?
I thought it was crushed, that tree, and it fucking stopped the tree. Grab that. Hang on, ready, one? Hang on. 1, 2, oh fucking hell, like that. 1, 2, 3. I fell off twice last time I went out.
Oh, really?
Just hold it. Had to unpack it twice.
Oh.
Down that track or something. Fucking killing me.
Rightio, Timmy and I found a spot to camp tonight. Collect a bit of wood, set our tents up, and then we're going to have a beer. Can't wait. Righto, we've got the table set up in the back of the bike there, folded out. And we're gonna the first night with the fire pit. First time we've used it. Tuck some coals in there. We're gonna wrap them in foil and that. Hook them up. Jimmy's just preparing the steaks there, Scotch fillet tonight. We've got a nice little bed of coals in the fire pit. Oh, living the dream. This is going to be awesome.
You want to flip top?
Oh, check this out. Scotch fillet. Veggies done in the alfoil on the coals. This is bloody awesome. Absolutely awesome. Righto, good morning everyone. Tim and I just cooked some toast there. Oh, check this out. All bacon and eggs. God, we're not far off the highway, man. Trucks never stopped all night. Hundreds of the bloody things. Amazing. Oh, blimey. There comes another one. That's a cube one, Toss.
Oh, yeah. Come from the mine.
That'll be from that mine back there, yeah. Righto, we just filled up at Norseman. Heading home. GoPro's been playing up again, so I've missed a fair bit of footage. But I have enough to make a little video. Keep me millions of cult followers happy. Okay, back home, give Big Red a bit of a clean. Looking spick and span. I put this tyre on. It's done 3,700 kilometres. And this time I balanced the tyre and it seems to be making a huge difference with the way it's wearing. Righto, so this is the old tyre I took off. Look at that. It's just about flat. Yeah. So I balanced it, seems to make a big difference. And this one hadn't done that many Ks either. Probably about 5,000 or 6,000. And I've also got a new tyre that arrived. This took 4 months to get. It's Dunlop Trail Max Mission, made in America. Yeah, give this a go too.